Some people have trouble with their mailbox decal stickers because they lift it up and look, the vinyl number is not sticking to the front transfer tape, which it should be. One good tip to remember is before you even start installing your mailbox decals, go ahead and burnish those vinyl letters or numbers down really hard. You can, if you don't have one of these, you can use a credit card. So now watch. When you lift up that clear transfer film, the vinyl will stick, ta-da, stick to the front sticky transfer film. Little tip. Now let's go install.